or CD or whoever the blood clot be. This a TikTok. Before you go look for your picnic, them you come and beg first. Put on your blood clot leg. Put on your blood clot big old pussy clot leg. Your leg big and heavy, no pussy clot. Every day you have it stretch out. You know what you gonna do? You're not afraid you're tired. Your pussy clot leg not tired. Hey girl, move your bumbo clot, man. Your upside it down triangle blood clot, yo. Your pussy will shape bad toad. Move your bumbo clot and go look for your picnic them. Dog shit. It time when you did be a bad mother, you should have be a good mother thinking, girl. Me don't know who called them for picnic them, but them for come. You fucking overweight vermin, bitch, yo. You coming like one of the blood clot big seal them.
Go see you see me? So that we are talk about the big drama on TikTok with the big with the woman named Rosealee. You see me? So we are soon and find out that them get taken by the children's authorities in Jamaica, you know, because of some slackness that she said on the media. I said she want bun down and knife up GX and I feeling them. GX being our worthless man. You see me? And I'm gonna tell you, when I rejoice about nobody, Pitney I get taken from them because it's not a good look in any situation. You see me? But people need to understand it's not a good look in the kids them view either. Because if you in a house and you hear your mother go on a certain way and then she'll include knife up and burn down house as a kid, a little Pitney, I hear them words that come out of the people mouth to protect you, you know, to guide and protect you, and that you hear come out of their mouth that gonna be traumatizing. And now you feel relax and easy and sleep and touch your toe you them have a decent sleep at night so you can get up and go to school the next day well rested to do your work as a school picnic. You see me? A stress you already have put the penny through. You see me? So if you have cash out over a man give you some of the third leg where you expect, you see me, you have cash out over that way. You already have a money in your yard, you know, but you have cash out over a man where you meet on the media. And the man decides to say, nah, sleep, you know, where you see me? Nah, disrespect you very much, but I just saw the thing go, you see me? If you don't respect yourself or you expect the next man to respect you, you not even have the damn ambition to get up and go into the gym. You don't have mirror in the house. You don't have mirror in the house. You don't have mirror to see yourself. The image in the mirror now talk to you. It now say, yo, Rose, don't look right. You know, see none of that. But anyway, people like that go on, pinning them get taken. All kind of drama, you know, pretty done. That's our next topic. Well, him in between, you don't know where it is. Have a point to have to say. And then I say, oh, I go through certain things, especially things like your opinion them get taken and you go from the media bar. But I always find it funny to see people on social media bar. Because when you're bar, you're really emotionally distraught. You see me? You're emotionally chaotic. You see me? So for you pick up the phone, open it, you see me? For you pick up the phone, put in the password, open it, swipe, search the camera button, the camera app, open it, then press record, then start crying. Or anyways, it's a whole heap of step you go through before you decide you want to cry. I don't find that genuine. You see me? When I see people on the media, a ball, and I know somebody I record them without them even knowing. Because even if me know somebody I record me and me I break down, me I tell them, say, yo, shut that off, man. You see me? So I find it not being genuine, you a wheelball over the phone. You know what I say? You do one bag of wheelballing. But anyways, people, pretty done some woolly part of TikToker. The straight one them, the lean one them, the mix up one them, the one them where take each other, man, all kind of everybody depend their chat. So just taking the
your pussy clot hippopotamus bumbo hole. Dirty blood clot, ill-shaped, Humpty Dumpty pussy hole. Your bumbo clot is a disgrace. Shanta need a better blood clot mama like you than you. You no example for good as Shanta. Shanta can come be the brightest looking girl to me hear she well spoken. Better girl for you think fat bitch. You think say you can make Shanta big and overweight and no self-esteem like you? Go thinking, girl, and make Shanta can have a better upbringing. You know if you bring up nothing. The only thing you bring up are the KFC and the Burger King, them want to make you big and sour, so. You big overweight blood clot, you. Go man, and allow the little girl make your girl have better upbringing. Nobody no glad to call you, mama. See the if you really take away your blood clot, pity them too, and lock up your handshakes to big ugly pussy wall of fuck. And a breed up and a go out with yourself. You two pussy clot ugly for your breed. Fucking a scandal bag dirty girl. I start name rat poison. Me you say a good blood clot bird control your fucking big overweight bitch yo. Go on for your pitney them. This is pussy clot TikTok. We can help you get back your pitney them because now we don't work a blood clot CDA. And the same thing make your bumbo clot pitney them gone. And as your pitney them gone, TikTok. You come here, they all suffer. Where they all suffer? Where they all in front of we suffer? Where they you they all to we? What we can do to about you? They all. When you holla, for what we can do about you, you know? Go for your blood clot, pick me them. None of we did sign you up for this blood clot. No, none of we. You come here, say, look, blood clot, lion and tiger and bear before your blood clot go for your pitney them. You come here, say, who not about this no funny? Who not see the big overweight blood clot mampy come a ball on TikTok for gift for your pitney them what she claim to say get take away. That look motherly to no. Who know the next set of blood clot, idiot? If something so tragic happen in somebody's life, why one life are the first thing for she if you click? Why this obese blood clot dog shit turn on one life first? Because the obese dog shit glad say pitney then gone. This overweight hog glad say the pitney then gone. The woman force ball you fuck and the whole owner sit down and name it up just like our fake series. Just like the series where she never get no cocky out and she ball feed. Who know the easiest people them to manipulate? Me can't believe so who have one overweight dog shit like that and manipulate you know. Who know idiot? This big thinking overweight sitting on no send it go look work. Every day you have the woman here so sit down and name in front of you. Big and sour, she soon dead in front of blood clot you know. You don't know that every day I won't have fun with this bigness. I see every day she get oversized and oversized more and more. Can we help get back Shanta or Barbar? No! Go find your pitney them big sowag. Why lag? Go find your pitney them. Every minute you come by Yasso. Yasso can't help you. Yasso the reason why you lose them. You big stinking. More rice. Go for more of your pitney them. So wait. The 4 pitney she said she have. GX breed me 4 times. GX never want me, but GX breed me 4 times. So Barbar Shanta. Oh, so one name Bar, and he had a one name Bar, and one name Shan, and one name Ta. Oh, you name belly bitch, you. You name belly like dog, you overweight blood clot sowag. You big hippopotamus pussy hole. Eh? Move your bumbo clot, you name belly like dog. Me don't know what the fuck you are breed up. So, boy, what's a fucking on my hole? Go take off your sour tongue ring off of your mouth. Because me know that tongue ring that smell like sour food. That the blood clot tongue ring that smell like when somebody poop on the sour. Take out the sour tongue ring out of your thinking mouth, girl. Eh? Where you come here, sir, ball for? We have Shanta. Can we help you get back Barbar? Go on down there, so go bar overweight blood clot, bitch. And you say you pitney them there. Go down there so go get them. Don't I see there if you a real mother then would down there upon them back a ball right now. Whoa, they couldn't even turn on a live. You there on live right. You too ugly when you ball. Stop ball. You look like one big blood clot puffer fish. Every blood clot ball you ball. You can know if you sweat sour. Shut your blood clot mouth and go find your pitney them. Nobody no want see you big thinking overweight blood clot girl with the sour ring. A ball every pussy clot minute. Go find something else do. No, we never take away your pitney. I'm gonna get my walk here, man. Yo, look come on, I'm gonna get my walk because it's about that time.
But nobody not tell Rosealee the truth. When I tell Rosealee the truth, a piece of the fame you want. What kind of fame Big Back have for me you want? Big Back be known more than me. Me's a retirement old dog. Big Back more than me. Big Back is my granddaughter. Big Back is my granddaughter. I've been here and will always be here. Nobody can take away your fame. Nobody can take away your light. Nobody can take away your series. Nobody can get peace or nothing. If the people them fuck with you, them fuck with you, them a go stay with you, them a go watch. If them live from over here and go in a reel with you, they are just watchers. You have different type of people on the internet. You have real supporters. You have haters. You have silent watchers. Your real supporters, them stick with you. And in a care if a man want have 30,000 views and things that go on and the hype over one page, your real supporters, them gonna sit on your live and watch you. If I even forget one next phone and I watch over this, but if you're going on the viewers list, you're gonna see the real supporters, them I watch you. Silent viewers are people where you can't control. Them jump from live to live. Them no business, but no body business. Them just want to go hear. Them now go comment in your business. They now go click live in your business. Them yes a Rose gone live, them jump over Rose. Them still look at 20 minutes. Them here's a Vani live, them jump over Vani. Them still look at 20 minutes. Them here's a over the live, them jump over. Them they from live to live. Triple can't bring me down with her big teeth and big cum. She forgot bring down the people them man where she a tech. Cause Triple is a nasty long time big suck out big man. So she can't diss me. Cause she not tell Rosealee the truth neither. The only thing she justify over there is the fact that CPS take the kids them, but not justifying why they take them. She justify CPS take the pitney them. And not justify why CPS take the blood clot pitney them. Triple move and go. You're going like you're intelligent more than a body. You know, if you're in our office, we have to panic the begging. Make you begging stay for away. You blame social media and you blame CDA. You know, blame the internet, but you not blame Big Back. Nobody on the internet never said them are going to analyze Shanto. No supporters never said them are going to analyze Jakes and the kids. And Rosealee said, so why don't go and blame Rosealee? The only thing Triple over there talk about is, what upon Rosealee for nobody bad man? She just have look more flesh now with that sit. I'm sure nobody now want flesh these days. Everybody want slim and look good. Nowadays, everybody want slim and up in a nice shape and look good. Nobody now want look like them, like a Hulk. So I could never look a skin and fat me the bad man Shebo. You have to stop it and tell the girl the truth. Me I pass one screen record and your big teeth and big gum talk about that this is giving hate. Because there's no way CDA is supposed to go to a school without the parent is there. And to take away Rose kids. So let me understand what I try to say. So if we just clear out our mind what caused this from the get-go. If we just forget out our mind, so Rosealee did say what she say. We're supposed to forget out our mind the kids' safety. We're supposed to forget all of these things and just worry about how CPS take the kids. Because according to me, CPS didn't take them in no form of bad way. Them take them in the right way. CPS just saved 2 lives. CPS just saved 2 lives. Because the kids them could have go home and something happened to them. And your ears to them never go. Triple want the people them justify of how. They ate Rosealee, so that's why they went and take the kids like that. I hate do that because there's no way in Jamaica. Now must you run for election and you rule Jamaica. So you have to tell Andrew married to you, so you have to tell Andrew off. Me never know say you have rules and regulation of how to go for kids. That I go down one emergency send for. If somebody them tell us a police can search your house unless them have a house warrant. CDA and CPS is the same thing. Go do no research. Because I sound like no dunce. CPS in Jamaicas are people that take your kids when they're in danger. Give your counseling and them something there. CDA in Jamaica are people that take your kids like how them take shan to them or send them go homes and put them in a good care and them can give you counseling. In Jamaica, it is referred to as CDA. In America, it is called CPS. 2 different countries, 2 different names. In Jamaica, when night come, you say a night. In blood clot Russia, when it's night, it's peconis noche. And you can call it in a Spanish. Different countries, different names. Hello? So you're gonna try to correct me. If one man, police would normally tell you, say, that's not Spanish, that's Russian. Police would normally tell us that them have to have a search warrant to search your house. But if you call the police and tell them that somebody just hold a gun in your house, pan you, and them in there with gun, the police no need no search warrant for going there. When you call the police and you cry on the phone and say somebody just hold you up with the pow in your house, police no need search warrant for coming. Police are kick off door and come in. Police are kick off door and come in. If it was a normal call, and people call and say, boy, you know, say I feel like my neighbor want to hurt my child. I overheard you talking, so she want to hurt them or whatever. CPS would do investigation and come get her number, call her, or visit the home, knock the house, and wait till she open the door and whatever, and then they investigate. So, but nobody called no CDA on Rosealee. Rosealee was the one who said it on live herself, that she's going to unalive her kids. CDA see the video and see everything. Nobody never need for call. This is social media, police, soldier, celebrity, all different types of people, doctor, lawyer, nurse, thief, car washer, bank teller. All of these people are watching us on social media. The Jamaican community scroll up on the TikTok, them see the TikTokers trending for different reasons. Trending for different reasons, and you have your series are going. So why you think CD and the people them now watch you? Me not say Maya and TJ and Rebel and the whole of them, they are big Andrew Oldness ceremony. So who is you, Rosealee, if you think nobody now watch you? The people them are watch you now. Everybody in Jamaica, everybody all over the world, and Nicki Minaj come big top celebrity I watch. Everybody I watch we. So why you think somebody call? Nobody not call them pa you. And you say what you see on them see it pan video and take action. I don't wrong the people them for go for them as everybody need to screen record the part when she said Drake's so that the adult CDA can go for Drake's. Drake's life is in danger because why is it they only go for Shantu and the other one? They need to go and take Drake's because Rosealee said she's going to unalive Drake's and the kids. So Drake's life is in danger too. You laugh like I think a joke. She might. Alright. Come on, go be you. Alright, laugh. Like Drake, like Rosealee. What you think she do? Too thick for unalive Drake's? Two Drake's a man, she can't unalive Drake's. When she do the wrong things, a man end up at jail. I wanna see a man go come cry. But not take life serious. Not take life. Anybody say them I go unalive me. Me not take that serious. And not every joke a joke, and not every joke you must take as a joke either. So you can't stay there. And then she come on live and smoke and drink like that. I go make all me a CDA now. I me see you come live and sip alcohol. So if me the plan for come care about your kids them tonight, me come on live and see you sip alcohol. When me for do care about the kids them in your drunken tipsy stage and you just say you go unalive them. You just say you go unalive them, you know. I know you drink on live and you smoke. So when you continue drink and smoke and get high now, what you gonna do after that? When you drink and you're stressed, you know, and you drink for cool off the stress. When you drink now and you're in that anger and that heated moment, because you can't get Akeem and the things them. So when you drink and you're drunk, and you smoke the way you smoke, and you're high, and Shantu comes say something to you now, and it got chip all your head now, what it leave you to do after that? You gotta do what you did say you gotta do on the video. We don't know. We ask you. Yeah, and your head got chip out now. What you gonna do? Tell me what you gonna do. And then Drake's got talk to you up on top of it. What you gonna do? You go analyze all of them one time. And then what we for to blame it on the rum because you're stressed? Should don't have real people in our life. I'm tell you something. I one thing about my sensation them. Them a tell me something wrong and not give a fuck. You know see more while I cuss them out. You know see more while mama see this tired to call.
Eh? Bring out tell you this. Why you never say you want analyze your boy and then analyze yourself? Why you picking them you want analyze? Because you want man and children. If boy don't want me, if boy don't want me, that son them want me. Yeah.
People, me not see no lion for all long now. Somebody can send one lion come give me hungry. Let me tell you this. You have to understand this. Mackerel, we have to be careful what we say out of our mouth because our mouth are our weapon and the baddest thing, and you have to be careful. That's why I speak favor over my family, favor over my son, favor over my kids, favor over my husband, favor over everything with me. When me notice me not get nothing easy, and a patience and time make me get my things, and me have to put in the work, Mackerel. You know, gonna see me come out here so. And I do the most for no views, I no gift, I no clothes. Me have my clothes
and they loyal to you, they will sit with you. And they like you for who you are. They live in the crowd.
But me I gonna tell you something. 1 year me take down myself from TikTok and me have true loyal billionaires who sit down under my live every day and watch me. Them not have no money, you know, but them sit down and tap my screen.
If I even tap the screen, like Shorty, me have one girl over here named Shorty. She not throwing away, she not, but she there. And sometimes I'll 40 tap, she tap my screen. I'm rather than get there.
Mackerel, me have one tapper and give me all 5, 10, 11,000 taps.
Yeah.
See them shot me like a while now. She call her kids drunk and dog shit. See the person that tell me the things them now upon my life. Listen to this. Them a say the police them been watching her for 8 months and she been calling them dog shit and drunk and be a thing. Me I go send it on show you. But me I cross out.
That's a trauma that you put in them to, and if them can go somewhere where they don't have to be traumatized. I don't know about that. I don't know about that. Like, they can get somewhere where nobody not traumatize them. It better them they somewhere safe more than their own appearance them will traumatize them.
But me I gonna tell you something. If the police them been a watch her for 8 months, that no nice because since the 8 months,
they have a lot of evidence. Yeah, all of them they when you do go court. Now I tell you right, when you do go court, you gotta have something a fit person order. Where you know they steer the orbs. You see if the judge see all of them the video they were talking to the children and then get up all and then use that against you. There's no you can't come back from that. Where I gonna say, judge, I told me did angry. The judge not about that. Judge, I gonna say you're unfit to be a parent to raise kids.
Listen, my thing is they need to give her back the children and monitor her. Get some therapy for her and some counseling. This is a wake-up call. She can do better now. Because I'm tired to tell them. Any other girl they ever change and make a 360, you know, dead. Be a dead girl. Oh.
I alone she can dead. I alone I go dead bling on the body.
No, me can dead because no girl can show up for me.
Well, I know me I go dead Nina, so I go talk about be a dead girl. I know that everybody sit over here. I know they still going to eat right. Shorty she make a 360. Only going to dead.
That she must do because guess what? TikTok has been a blessing. She's one of the individuals that TikTok has been a blessing for. And all I'm saying, these people them don't want to tell her the truth.
Chat. Why? Look at them send for a bad police instead of a bad girl to blood clot. I would bomb clot this. I would send for a bad blood clot social worker. So that's what she said. Nobody can go for no bad girl. I don't know a bad social worker. The blood clot this from a screen, man. About 360 and them dead again. But not dead bling. Nobody give a fuck about her. All of the people
When me
will
say dead, me no mean drop dead though. But listen,
Anybody will reach out about the situation and go suck out to the mama. I see him so when CD take me and no laugh too. Anybody will laugh about it? Me, the king, are telling us to bring him done. Bring them done. Like how me did drop my drawers and them thing there, you know? Yeah, that's very sad. That's very sad, darling. I know. That's very sad. I know. That's really sad. But Jabba's gone on live and I talk about it. Clothes him a looking at. Him not genuine a blood clot in a clothes him a looking at. Make him move him blood clot. Tell Jabba to move him bomb clot. Clothes him a looking at. Look how hype him want. But low it alone. Anybody say it. So go to the mama. What? Apple tag. No one talk about Benz for. I don't come to talk about Rosealee now. Because me not going to laugh off of Rosealee now. You see what I say? I am not going to laugh. Rose is going through a lot. You understand? I am not going to laugh about it. You see what I say? Yeah. But when, if she get back her picnic them, should I get it back, man? Don't sorry for the girl. Go suck out your mama, girl. Go suck your mama. You know motherly. Me no know motherly love, you know. Me no know motherly love, you know. You see it. But me know when me have things and it get taken from me, me feel a way. Me feel. Imagine if I like just things like why word name? Vanity. You see like vanity. But it feel a way when vanity get taken away from me. Imagine if I you pick me. All me know. CD can't come for JJ. That's all me know. No matter how me beat him, fuck can't come for him. Can watch her. Can't come for that. CD, come now. Come. CD, take up your thing and come. Come now, come. Me want you come. Come for him. Cause you did push him out and me push him out, you know. Come for him. Cause you did bend over and take nothing feet. Come feet, CD. You did bend over and take nothing. Come feet. Alright, so I have more views than Jabba's now, so I can add him now. I see it. I have more views than Jabba, so I can add him now.
Nobody know them right, say, bro. You know wicked. And it's just the truth. That's the truth, bro. No matter how he stay, bro. No matter how mess up him be. And disgusting as him be, bro. I will not agree. Me would have never wish that upon nobody, bro.
True.
Tell me, I tell you that I don't know gimmicks thing.
Yo,
There's
Jabba,
no
anybody, anybody who have son and daughter, I got understand the pain. Those are feeling. You see. I'm not the kind of talking thing. You see what I say? Cause me have my son and me never see CDA come to CDA cannot try it. You see what I say, Jabas? CDA cannot try that shit.
Jalen, for that joke aside, bro, that a fuckery, bro.
No, I fuck with man, I fuck with true.
For that joke aside, bro, that a total fuckery.
Jabas between me and Jabas.
What?
What do you mean what? Who said call you?
No Jabas.
Shit.
What?
Moderator, deal with them, see what you say.
Why am I show me? Why am I show me Jabas?
Anybody else see there comment nothing out that way, mute them off from my life.
Why
Yeah.
not? Why you show me? You get back your car? BMW, but him been when buy that. I know new car need buy that already. I don't understand.
So me Triple, what's up?
Triple, what go triple?
No,
I'm not really in a you know, triple.
Miss Triple, what is the motive tonight? What is the topic tonight? What can
you
we
buy one
talk?
different BMW than the one we buy that day?
Miss Triple, what can we talk about?
Is a different BMW that him buy chat?
Miss Triple, what can we talk about, Miss Triple?
I'm not going to chat off no more, man. I'm not so reaching that dilemma. I'm not so something so. Yes, enough I want to attack. I chose some things that reach in their life. I'm not going to remove the people. Don't fall and laugh about it.
Oh, in
Or
buy
late,
Benz
man.
today, you're hot, man. What
Only
kind
that
of
comment
Benz that he
section,
show me a
what say?
BMW? I saw they
See how
talk
our
about
BMW
say, well,
like
like nothing can never reach them.
They're perfect, man. I'm not going, man. I'm not going. One thing I mean, I'm going to get up and rejoice about nobody. If any job walk and book into a job and boss in head, I'm going to laugh. But they might say, laughing thing, brother. I may say, I watch every screen record and anybody, all my closest friend, say I rejoice about them. I'm not about them, there's no God. I don't want a friend from you can even do it to me too. Tell me, I tell the world that, bro.
Who that? Who you go black?
Anybody me see on screen recording, bro, I rejoice over it and I laugh.
Well, Vanny did rejoice about you. I wonder if a black
I have a seat, myself. I have a seat, myself, Jay. Jay, I mix up.
Let me show you. And have a seat, let me show you.
Yo, Mr. Triple, they say, are you that one big problem, you? You understand me? You understand me? Are you that one big problem, you? Everything, bro. Let me tell you, are you just jovial or if you understand it, bro? Chat, if you don't see my gimmicks or the situation, it's just that how he is. So don't really take him serious or feel like him not care. I just how him still. You understand me? Yeah. Yeah.
No, sir, but I feel it for Rosealee, man. I feel it for her, man. For sure, man.
But man, anybody had them picking, brother. Brother, I think belly pain is something boy want come to people's school and yeah, come take people picking from them with their out of the bright blood class.
I want to ask CDA something though. CDA. CDA did bend over and take fuck and show about Pitney if you want to come take Pitney, darling.
What out of that, man?
You see the me want to ask you something.
Out of that bad triple and drop man out of that, man.
You did bend over and take the back shot.
When I read the black JDF mix up. Black JDF mix up, please. Black him. Black JDF mix up. I respect you, father. We give you a follow back, my G.
CDA, I wonder if you did bend over and take the back shot them with Rosealee put on and the side lock them.
Oh man, they out of the two, man. They out of the two, man. Bama Tanagram, thanks you, father. Bro.
Some people in the comments that talk about cause she said no Pitney got shop go buy Scriven and special. Everybody do that, bro.
But say they look one like them perfect, bro.
But you got a yard already, Jenny. Tell me say shopping at the yard.
The shopping at the yard, bro. Yeah, the shopping at the yard, bro.
The shop there with that table there. To the left, our family shopping in at the yard.
Enough of them are sending them people go shop go buy a condom.
And enough of them mother ya bring in man and have them pitney there on the bed and a fuck beside them pitney.
Right beside them. So what? So what?
Mount a box me give JJ feel like CD can come here so.
Listen, me wanna post all and go. I chew no like you, man. That's why, bro. I tell you no. That was that.
Idiot, yeah.
Me the one that come so bobo me I say alright then. Me and Rosie catch up, you know. Yeah. That not karma, bro. That a fuck you no do.
What a fuck if it's true.
And that's a karma.
People want me eat like pies and jabbas, and I still would want to reach them.
And Jabas.
You're mad, man. You're mad, bro.
You know what I'm wrong. Somebody pick them get take with what? I won't even know me at all.
Jaden.
I won't even know me at talk about. You know me at talk about.
Brother, nobody pitting enough to get no blood clot take away. Let me tell you when people get take away, bro, when they're in a danger, their parents try something with them, like burn them off his spite, lick down their head and I try kill them. Then by the time they see they can step in, bro. But you can't, brother, action, me tell you say action, you know, loaded than words. I will if a cousin me get. I will if a rush up me get, I will if a load up me get, bro. I will if a cousin me get from my mother when I grew up, bro. She never abused me, bro. Me get licked till me sick. She never abused me, bro. She just try to correct me, brother. I'm gonna lick me get from my mother, brother. I don't think nobody gets so much lick. I will if a beat me get, bro. You see me, I say, bro. So Pitney have to get schooling, bro. Pitney have to get rough up, bro. And if she depend on her life, brother, and Pitney have to get rush up, what? Or show me depend on my life if you do the wrong them. Hey, put on that blood clot and go out the door. That's how me I deal with your same way to Miss Triple. Wow,
You have to tell me, I just show me the rough up for me them pan the life, but me rough them up a regular, me chip bad what in your jabbas.
Yeah, a regular my mother box and talk me and kick me and send me a road and say, yo, go buy that youth. A regular my mother. Eh?
What you say?
I mean, I've been a little bit on road. I mean, I've been a little bit on road.
Mr. Triple, one time my mother get box up on my mother box me up on them thing down and so. And kick me on them thing, Mr. Triple. Watch out.
You take up my little daughter and my little son out of the nice compatible bed with them asleep. Carry them and fling them down to homes. Round one bag of bad Lego blood clot let loose pitney. Cause when they put them go to homes, they rude, you know, them bad, you know. That's how rude ras down there, no Triple.
And if you never miss a day at school yet, you know, I don't even think you put them about 6 yet. Chat on ever in all the years. You put them about 6 yet, chat. Me I think about it to them. Me no remember the pin them even ever being sick. If them never miss a day, come to think of it, them never yet sick. Never.
I make no go do him. Take up my picture and I make no big
when
fight him off.
Me hear Rose say they sick or they sick today or them a cough or they can't go to school.
That's why you see problem and war cannot stop in this world. Okay, if you take my picture from him and send him go home. Send him go home.
Never sick yet. Can't recall.
Oh, fuck with them, man. I mean, I like that, brother. I better no class him and bring him down and troll him and call him all kind of names. Love people, picking alone, love involved with it too much. I don't like to do it too much.